How to deactivate Snapchat account. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. So yeah, let's get started right away. Well, it's actually very easy to do. What you want to do is make sure that you are in the account that you want to deactivate, of course. Then proceed to go to the settings and scroll all the way down. Now all the way at the bottom, you want to click on delete account. Now don't worry, we are not going to actually delete our account, but you have to do it from here. So here you first have to log into your account, which I'm going to do real quick. Once you have logged into your account, you will see this. It says delete account. Oh snap, you're leaving us, blah, blah, blah. And then it says your account will be deactivated, which means friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. You will also lose any chats you've saved and any snaps and chats you haven't opened. After 30 days, your account will be deleted. If you would like to reactivate your account before that happens, just log into Snapchat. So this is exactly what you want. You can literally just deactivate your account for 30 days and then it will be deleted, or you can just wait like 29 days and then log back in, and then you have deactivated your account for 29 days, and then you can probably just deactivate it again if you would like to deactivate it longer. So that's basically it. Here you have to fill in your password and then hit continue, and then your account will be deactivated. And all you have to do in order to reactivate it is simply log back into your account, and then your account will be reactivated. So yeah, that is basically it. That's all there is to it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.